Meaning of groundwork.
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 Groundwork. Groundwork means the initial preparation or basic foundation that is required for successful completion of a project or task. It involves laying down the necessary framework, structure, plans and strategies in advance, which helps in guiding the subsequent steps and decisions. The groundwork also helps in identifying potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the project and developing contingency plans accordingly. Its importance lies in the fact that it can significantly affect the quality and success of the final outcome. Therefore, proper attention and resources should be allocated for thorough groundwork before beginning any significant project, endeavor or task.